you ready to unlock massive sales and finally build a sales funnel that actually converts? Whether you're launching your very first online business or scaling up an existing one, I have some incredible news that could change everything for you. It's called the New One Funnel Away Challenge. And trust me, this isn't just another online course. It's your complete blueprint for building and launching a profitable sales funnel step by step. Here's the best part. You get to choose your own adventure. If you're selling physical products, the ECOM Edition is your golden ticket. You'll be guided by Trey Llewellyn, a true e-commerce expert who's mastered the art of selling online. But if you're an educator, coach, or anyone with valuable information to share, the Expert Edition is right up your alley. Russell Brunson, yes, the co-founder of ClickFunnels himself, will walk you through every move. And they're not sending you off on your own. You'll get 90 full days of ClickFunnels access, hands-on training from Trey and Russell, and weekly live calls to get your questions answered in real time. Plus, as a free bonus, you'll unlock the Fill Your Funnel Challenge, so you can attract organic traffic without spending a dime. I know how overwhelming building an online business can feel, but with the right guidance, you don't have to figure it out alone. Russell, Trey, and the whole team are committed to helping you succeed, no matter your starting point. So, if you're serious about launching or growing your business, hit the link below and sign up for the New One Funnel Away Challenge. This is your shot to build a sales funnel that truly converts. Don't miss it.